God, I have my two friends with me to help me in today's puzzle. And they are
Pamela Eunice.
Pamela Eunice will help me in today's puzzle. This is a matchbox. It's an important tool for starting fire, but for today's class, we are going to use it to start our first puzzle. I will set up two classical matchstick puzzles for you. The first one looks like this. This looks like an animal to you. What does it look like?
A giraffe.
A giraffe. Okay, so the object of this puzzle is to move one matchstick to change the direction of the giraffe. The giraffe is walking towards a certain direction. Just move one matchstick to change the direction of the giraffe.
Let's try this one. So then face upwards. Like this. So it's still like a giraffe, right?
This looks like a snake on a chair.
So only one match.
Yes.
Just like this.
Okay, so move this one. This one.
This is not the shape of giraffe.
Unfortunately, this is not a solution. This doesn't look like a giraffe.
Okay. Only one match.
There's only one matchstick.
Like,
Okay, let's do it like
This
this.
looks like a mechanic toy.
something like this.
Another lane. It's like this, right?
Yes.
It's one, so you can move. It was like this at first. So which one? We try this and do like, we try this and do like which one again?
Okay, once we are to solve this first puzzle, I'll set the second one, maybe to give you clue to solve the first one. So let me set the second one over here. You're a home economics student, right?
Yes.
What does this look like?
Wine glass.
Wine glass, it is good. So I have paper ice cube in the wine glass. Your challenge is to move two matchsticks so that the paper ice cube will come out of the glass.
Out.
Yes, but the shape of the physical shape of the wine glass will be the same. It will not be altered.
Okay.
So I don't know what
This one.
So what's so move this one. This one always something like this. One. Two. Move this one.
So the paper ice cube is out of the glass now, but the shape is not the same.
Then move this like this.
Okay, this looks like an H.
Yes, H. So back to position. Move this one. Hey, move this one too. This one. Move this one. This will be one at time. So other one.
The hairs are working. The hairs are working. The hairs are working.
Like this. One.
Oh, it's still
Then
inside.
two. I still inside. Inside this. Here. One. The same way. So this thing. Can't use the hand to just bang it out.
Wow. That is it. Wow, wow. So let's tidy it up. Let's keep it tidy. Okay, so now you can see that our ice cube is out, and then the wine glass is what? It's the same. Just invent it, okay?
Yes.
Anytime you wash a wine glass, you turn it upside down for its grain.
Yes.
And that is what we've done. That is wonderful. Can you continue with the first one, or you give it up?
Let's continue. So, or this one. Let's try telling it like this and see. Is it? Yes. Oh.
No. This doesn't look like a giraffe. It looks like a Japanese character.
So something like this. Then like this. Is it?
No.
Like this. Oh, try something. Try.
Wait. I'm thinking of something. But let me move this to.
This is my giraffe.
Actual thing, yes. Yes, it's like I'm doing something. So it's like this. We want to giraffe. So we can bring this one in like this.
Where are the legs?
So the legs are somewhere here. And this is like,
Is that a solution?
yes.
This doesn't look like the giraffe.
So this is the legs and this is the head.
No, I will not take this for the answer.
Giraffes can touch and their heads.
Yes, they can turn their head, but
So-
this doesn't look like the leg. So if you want
Something
to,
like this.
is it a solution?
Yes.
Wow, that is it. Wow, you probably able to break the first puzzle.
Yes.
That is serious. Thank you. Okay, now let's go through. Mic box are they comes in handy. You can carry it on yourself everywhere, and you can create tons of games and puzzles from this match box to entertain your friends and family. So I love it. And the paradox in all matchstick puzzles is that they will tell you the number of sticks to move, but you are always bewildered and baffled as to which one to move and where to move them. And that creates a very long chain of probabilities and guesswork. The wine glass puzzle is a bit challenging for me because oftentimes when you give puzzle and they say move matchstick, the idea is that you are going to move it from a location to different place. But to move is just a displacement of position. You can move from 1 to 2. You still move, or 1 to 1,000. Okay. So when you say move, it does not necessarily mean that you have to move it from one location to different place. Okay. So all that you need to do, which we did beautifully, was what? Shift it to the right or left. So you can bring this one over here. And when this comes here, just collapse the shoulders of the wine glass. Then you bring the other side of the bowl, and here you are. That is beautiful. Then over here too, which looks a bit difficult, but just eyeballing. But it's simple if you understand how humans move. We always move with our legs. So the direction of our legs will determine the direction of our movement. So you can be turning to the word east and still be walking towards what? North. Is that so? So the initial puzzle was like this. Here the giraffe was walking towards what? East. It can go to east or come to west. Okay?
Yes.
But when you redirect one of the legs to this side, you can see that it cannot walk to the north or to the south to go and drink from the ocean.
Yeah.
And it will die. Thanks very much for helping me in today's experiment. You are kindly. Thank you also for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, and see you again in the next episode.
Bye bye.